So, good morning, students. This is chapter 8 and this is class 5. Okay. So, our topic of the chapter is Land of the Midnight Sun. As we know that we have already started the explanation of the chapter, we have already started and explained about the story time, about the features of the Greenland. Okay. There are different kind of features of the Greenland we have studied. Okay. Then also we have studied about the terrain, the different types of the land which is mentioned into the Greenland. We studied there. Okay. We studied about the climate and we came to know that the climate of the Greenland is very cold. Okay. And it is also, you can say it is the neighbor of Canada. The Greenland is neighbor of Canada. Okay. So, and why the Greenland is very cold? Because it is near to the pole. Okay. And there sunlight cannot be received. Very less amount of sunlight is there. For that reason that area is very cold. When what type of clothes does the people wear? Okay, the clothes they wear, they are wearing specially clothes made out of the animal skin. Okay, and they are also called the temperature while hunting ice or in the kayaks. They are also traveling through with the help of the kayaks. What is kayaks? Kayak is a type of a boat that only one person can travel. Yes, we learned in the previous classes. Okay, we also came to know about the festivals. On 21st of June each and every year they will celebrate the Christmas. Okay, they will celebrate the Christmas, they will celebrate the New Year and the National Day. Okay, and also with the special songs and the special programs. Okay, with the special songs and the special program they will celebrate their festival. Now we will discuss about the religion. Okay, now we will discuss about what? Religion. So before discussing about the language and the religion, then what we should know about the official language. The official language of the Greenland is Greenlandic. Okay, also known as a Kalaallisut. Okay, the official language is Greenlandic or also known as a Kalaallisut. Okay, so there is a Greenlandic language or you can say it Kalaallisut. Okay, as we know that our official language of India is what? Hindi and English. Okay, both are the official languages, but mostly in India which language is followed? In official languages you will find English in each and everywhere. Even if you go to any form fill up for admission purpose, if you go to any school, okay, for any work if you go, then which language you need to form fill up? You need to do English only. Yes or no? Identity card if you write, okay, your name if you write, which language you're writing? English. So English is what? Our official language. As India has its own official language, that is English. Okay, the Greenlandic people has a Greenlandic language, and also the Kalaallisut it is known as. About 4/5 of the Greenlanders are Inuits and the 1/10 are Danish. 4/5 of the Greenlandics are the Inuits. Means you can say mostly. Suppose, for example, okay, for example, I will say 100% people you take 100%, 100%. Okay, from there 70% will belong to the Inuits. Remaining the rest of the 30% will be the Danish people. Okay, these are the their people it is known as you see in the Assam or in the what called India, there are different cultures of the people exist. The people those who live in Assam are called Assamese. The people those who live in Bengal are called Bengalis. The people those who live in Bihar are called Biharis or Bhojpuris. Okay, the people those who live in the Himachal Pradesh is called Himalayan people. Okay, so so people different. Now people those who live in Jammu and Kashmir, they are called Kashmiris. Yes or no? Kashmiri. So different. Those who are people living in the which states, we are calling that people only. Okay, now if you think, okay, now if you think that different kind of name it has, See, in India only we have different kind of name and the languages. Yes, when you speak Bengali, you are Bengali. When you speak Assamese, you are Assamese. Okay, you are speaking English, then you are British. No, you are trying to learn that language. If I am speaking Bengali, then I am trying to learn the language. Okay, yes or no? When you are speaking other language, then you are becoming that language or what? No, you are trying to learn that language, right? So people are also interested in learning the language. In the same way, the Greenlandic people are also interested in learning the other languages. So the official religion is Lutheranism, which is mentioned. Now Lutheranism meaning you can see in the page number 13. Now what is the meaning of Lutheranism? Okay, Lutheranism is a major branch of Protestant Christianity. Means what you can say, Lutheranism means, now you see, the people of the Greenland mostly were the, you can say, Christians. The people of the Greenland were mostly of the Christian, belong to which community? Christian community. Okay, now they told that they will not follow the Christian. Now which religion they will follow? Now they came out of that religion and started following another religion. They formed, what is the name of the religion? Lutheranism. Now the person who were following the, you can say, Christianity, okay, the person who were following the Christian culture, Christian religion, now they were not satisfied by the rule of the people. Okay, and now they will come out of that religion and will start following another culture, that is Lutheranism. Okay, going against means protest. What is the protest meaning? Is going against means protest, but the meaning of the word protest is going against to someone. Okay, now the official religion is Lutheranism, and about 1/3 of the people follow Christianity. As you see, now you will think that Lutheranism and Christianity is like same. Yes, it is like same only. The people, those who do not follow Christianity, they are regarded as Lutheranism. Now they will pray to which God? They will pray to Lord Jesus only. Okay, they will pay to Lord Jesus only. The population is fairly widespread, with a large portion living in the municipalities while the rest living in the villages. You can say the population of the Greenland is a very widely spread, is everywhere you can find. In the Greenland, the land, or the land of the midnight sun, it is also called. You can find everywhere the people. Okay, while the rest of the people live in the villages. Okay, the rest of the people will live in the villages. Now let us discuss about the culture. As we have discussed about the language and religion, now we will come to know about the culture. So if we speak about the culture, Greenlanders are very proud of their traditional culture activities. Now what is mean? That Greenlander, the people, those who are living in the Greenland, they are very proud of their culture, they are very proud of their religions. Okay, because, and what type of religion they are following? They are following Christianity and Lutheranism. And which is their official religion? Their official religion is Lutheranism. Okay, so they are fond of kayak building and sailing. Okay, folk art like soapstones, carving, and drum dancing is also very popular. So now they are fond of what? They are, you like for example, when you sit simply, okay, nowadays what you like to do? Some like to draw, right? When our time, when the mobile phone was not there, okay, I'll say that when the mobile phone was not there, what we were doing when we were sitting simply was feeling bored, right? That time TV was also, channels was not coming, we were watching one channel only. That is also all the time only, you can say something different type of shows was coming on. So what we were doing in that, we were taking some, you can say, sketches we are making, or we are playing. Okay, so hobby is what you, when you do like off time, simply sitting, you are doing that work. Okay, but the people, those who are living in the, you can say, Greenland, what is their hobby? Their hobby is to make the buildings. Okay, also you can say, it is written here, you can see this line, the hobby of that people, of they are fond of the kayak building and sailing. They like sailing also, boat sailing, you know na, boat sailing, you know, they like boat sailing. Okay, kayak building is a type of, that stone, people are keeping stone upon stone and making buildings small playing. Yes, maybe you are also doing like this, keeping bricks and making one building. Okay, so but nowadays children are mostly playing with the mobile phone only. Their hobbies to make play with the mobile phone. But that time, now people of the Greenlanders are very fond of kayak building, and also the you can say, it is mentioned here, kayak building and sailing works they likes. Okay, for folk are the like the soapstones carving and drum dancing is also very popular. Have you seen this kind of dance that like for example, drumming is going on? Okay, drum will be beating on, and you will be looking that suppose they will be dancing, the villagers will be dancing, no, like you have seen in the mostly maybe the videos of the you can say that early pupils, hula la la hu, chinga la la hu, like this they are singing and dancing out, right? So they are saying this that song chinga la la lu, and they're beating the drum and they are dancing, right? That kind of dance is also very famous in the Greenland. Okay, they like the beating of the drums and dancing they like. Okay, there are very numbers of the museums are there, so many museums you can find in the Greenland. Also the most important one being in the Nuuk and the National Museum and Archives. So in the Nuuk you can find the National Museum and the Archives. Now meaning of the word archives you can see in the page number 13 is that records or document preserved as evidence of the facts. Like for example, okay, you may not understand about the archives is that now suppose you want that in future, okay, after 1000 years, okay, after 1000 years I will not be there, you will not be there, but person should know about you. What you will do, you will write a note about, you will write somewhere, right? You will make it very nice, a diary you will make, and you will keep it, you will keep in the museum and you will keep it. Okay, or you can do one thing also, you can in that this one aluminum coil or aluminum like something you can make, and you can with the help of the plastic only you can wrap, and if you keep in the land, when someone will dig then they can find and they can read about you. So that is also a archive. Means now the person, those who will take out the information about that will come to know about you. Now this will be archive or information or the fact they are going to study and going to know about you. Okay, the collection in the museum covered the 4500 years of history of the Greenland. So there are so many collections of the museums you can find. So in the so what is the in the collection of the museum, what kind of things you can see in the museum? In the museum you can see the things which are 4500 years old. How much years old? 4005 years old things you can see, like dinosaurs bones you can see. Yes, dinosaurs bones, then seals, then stones you can see. Also the people used to wear the cloths, right? No, the people wear which type of cloths they used to wear? Animal skin they used to wear. Okay, they used to wear the animal skin. Okay, so the football is the national sport in the edition, and football is the national sport in the Greenland, and the Greenlanders are very fond of the skiing. Means they like to fly on the sky, that is skiing, and playing handballs and the volleyball. So they are very fond of playing the handball, then volleyball. You know that boys are very fond of maybe handball and the volleyball, right? So the Greenlanders are very much fond of what? Handball and the volleyball. So our explanation I will end here. Okay, so till then that, take care, thank you, bye bye students. I will be teaching in the next class about the plant life.